What a story. After all the tragedy, hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be checking out Under the Thigh Flag official music video, JOH 1977. So this was at least a day ago since it was released. So I want to see what's up. I want to hear the story of this guy, because there's been a lot has been said here, and I'm literally excited to hear this guy's perspective on the Thailand people story. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Peace.
Nights a black canvas, the moon's hidden away. I'm on guard duty in this battlefield's gray.
Hey, it is always these soldiers come out and give a testimony of what is been going on. Alright, because they are standing there in position underneath the moonlight, night and day, just to give the protection of these Thai people. And I do appreciate the fact that they are doing this. They are making sure that the people are in safe and protective hands.
I see you, mom and dad. I pray for the day this war and this fighting will all fade away. Beneath the Thai flag, a promise I've sworn.
One day, these fight, these wars, he prayed that it will all fade away. And he's not wrong. He's not wrong, because remember, no war at all brings peace. In the middle of it, it is not peaceful. Right? Only one can break a fight, two can start a war. Right? So if each team members, right, whether on the opposite side, can break the fight, then it will become peaceful. Peace will make, right? Truths have to be making. Okay? So to hear a song like this is very deep.
I won't let them take what we've rightfully born. I'll stand in a fight till my body is torn. For my nation and my king, a new day is born. If I must fall, let the battlefield be my grave. I won't let invaders come and misbehave. I promised you love, and a promise I gave. When the smoke clears from this hell, we'll be safe.
Guys, just imagine, alright? They are fighting on the battlefield to protect others. Alright? And he's saying that let the battlefield be his grave, because they are fighting. And they are not sure if that's the last time they are ever going to see the light of day again. But because of the precision, because of the promise they made to protect the people of Thailand, they'll go all out. They'll go to make sure that the people are safely homed. Alright? And people literally are facing a lot, especially comes on to the Thailand people in that country. Bro, we have to protect them. We have to ensure that each and every individual, each and every civilian who's a part of the Thailand country be protected. And with this being said, these people are good people. Right? And they are saying in Jamaica that goes by this. Alright? Only the good die young. Basically.
If I should die Please just know in your heart I fought for this land from the very start. The flag of our nation will never fall apart.
Whoa. Whoa, bro says, right? If he dies, just know, right? He fought for this land. He fought for this people. He's standing for the people. And I do like the part that he's an hero, right? To be a hero of something, you have to protect it. You have to keep it safe, right? And every person on this earth deserves safety, whether it's by the government firm, whether it's by the people of the country, whether it's a different country, it doesn't matter. Everyone needs safety, right? No one wants to be in an era where they are feeling unprotected. So we have to protect them, because the strong tend to prey on the weak. And if there's someone out there who can protect the weak from the strong, the opposite strong, then we have to fight for them, protect them.
I won't let these invaders tear our home apart. If I must fall, let the battlefield be my grave. I won't let invaders come and misbehave. I promised you love, and a promise I gave. When the smoke clears from this hell, we'll be safe.
Whoa. Whoa. He promised the people love, everything, right? When the time comes, I pray that the people be safe from this hell hole. It's definitely so, guys, because it's very chaotic to know that people are losing their lives left and right and no one's there to stop it. So the soldiers are out there in the battlefield, fighting from the heart to protect the people because of love, because of family members, because they want to see the people live for tomorrow. And this is something that we should look into and consider it as a gem. The people are the future of tomorrow. Without the people, there is no future. Let us protect the future, because the future is what holds the key to life.
I'll come back to you when this danger is done. Please wait for me, my love, my only one. We'll live life again beneath the same sun. A vow upheld by a Thai soldier with his wife.
Oh wow, bro, what a story. After all the tragedy, after all the fights, everything, he's praying that he make it home safely to his wife so he could have the best time of his life, living together. It's every soldier's dream who are on that battlefield protecting the others, the civilians, the people of the country. That is every soldier's dream while they're on the battlefield, right? So this is not something new, and this is a gesture by every soldier, and we should also remember them in our prayers, bro, because they are fighting for us. So we should always fight for them, definitely.
Flag of our nation will never fall apart. I won't let these invaders tear our home.
That's it, bro. The invaders, you'll never let them tear their home apart, because this flag, this Thailand flag, it will never ever loses. This is our nation. This is the flag that we use to gain freedom. Right? This is the flag that we people have as our cultural thing, bro. So the invaders can never ever come on our property to destroy our property, because we are here to protect the property.
Home apart.
That was an excellent story. That was something that was very well written. It's a virtue story. Virtue story. That story was touching, heartwarming. Guys, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time I do another release by the Thailand People's Reaction. You'll be the first to be notified of whenever time another content uploaded. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another reaction.